Welcome to our open house at Ponderosa West. This lushly landscaped complex has 2 pools, lots of green belts, ponds, and mature trees. We're holding open today a 1-bedroom, 1-bath that's been tastefully updated. Let's go inside and take a look around. The spacious living room has recessed lights. This is actually tile flooring that has the wood look. You'll enjoy cooking in the kitchen with these beautiful granite blue countertops, large sink, new faucet, built-in microwave, the spacious patio that is west-facing and gives you the opportunity to start your own garden or put out some nice patio furniture. Wonderful updates to the bathroom with the new vanity, toilet, and gorgeous tile work. The primary bedroom has an oversized window that lets light pour in, ceiling fan, and you will love this walk-in closet. Look how deep that is. If I wasn't holding the open house, I would definitely be enjoying this beautiful pool. After your swim, enjoy a nice dip in the spa, or just relax on the patio furniture in the lush landscaped grounds.